You've seen the videos, how to repair rust on your car, sanding it down, filling it in, repainting, 30 minutes of work, $50 in products, professional-looking results. But here's what those repair videos don't tell you. By the time rust is visible enough to repair, you've already got $3,000 in hidden damage underneath, corroded brake lines you can't see, weakened frame rails you can't fix, failing suspension that's about to cost you big. I'm going to show you how to stop that rust from forming in the first place. 5 minutes after every snowstorm, $10. Prevents all of it before repair videos even become necessary. Road salt causes $3 billion in vehicle damage every winter in the US. Your share is $3,000 or more if you don't do what I'm about to show you. While mechanics make a fortune replacing corroded parts you could have protected for the cost of a coffee, I'm giving you the exact routine that keeps salt from destroying your car. This is True Cost Auto. Here's what to do after every snowstorm to save $3,000. Why road salt is so destructive. Here's what most people don't understand about road salt in your car. Salt doesn't just sit on metal, it creates a chemical reaction that accelerates rust 20 times faster than normal oxidation. Salt is sodium chloride. When it mixes with water and oxygen, it creates an electrolyte solution that speeds up oxidation. Normal rust takes years. Salt rust takes months. Modern road treatments are even worse. Cities use calcium chloride and magnesium chloride because they work at lower temperatures. These stay wet longer, seep into smaller crevices, and corrode faster than traditional salt. According to AOA, road salt causes $3 billion in vehicle rust damage annually in the United States. Average individual repair cost, $3,000. Many people pay more, but most people don't see damage until it's catastrophic. You don't see rust forming inside frame rails. You don't see brake lines corroding. You don't see suspension weakening. You just know that one day something fails and you're facing a massive repair bill, where salt destroys your car. Let me show you exactly where salt does the most damage. Brake lines. Run along your undercarriage. Exposed metal. Salt corrodes them from outside in. One day you press the brake and fluid leaks instead of stopping. Cost, $800 to $1,200. Frame rails. Steel beams underneath everything. Salt gets into every crevice. Rust from inside out. Most states fail inspection if frame rust is severe. Cost, $2,000 to $5,000 in lost value or total loss. Suspension components, ball joints, control arms, tie rods, all exposed to salt spray. Rubber boots crack, salt gets inside, metal corrodes. Cost, $500 to $1,500. Exhaust system, pipes, catalytic converter, muffler hanging under your car. Salt eats through them. Cost, $600 to $1,500. Total potential rust damage, $5,000 to $11,000. I'm using $3,000 as a conservative average. Many people pay more. The 5-minute solution. Here's what prevents all of this. 5 minutes, $10 to $20 after every snowstorm. Step 1. Go to a car wash within 24 to 48 hours after every snowstorm ends. Timing matters. Salt corrodes immediately. Don't wait a week. Go within 2 days. Step 2. Get an undercarriage wash. This is not optional. This is the entire point. Regular car wash cleans paint. That's cosmetic. Real damage happens underneath where you can't see. Most car washes offer undercarriage spray, $5 to $15 extra. This high-pressure spray blasts salt from frame rails, suspension joints, brake line brackets, exhaust hangers, wheel wells, all the places salt accumulates and destroys. Step 3. Make sure the spray is thorough. You want strong pressure hitting your entire undercarriage for at least 30 seconds. Touchless automatic. Verify an undercarriage wash is included. Self-service bay. Use the undercarriage wand. Home washing. You need commercial-grade pressure. Most home setups can't match it. Step 4. Clean wheel wells thoroughly. Wheel wells trap the most salt. It packs behind your wheels in thick layers. Some car washes have separate wheel well spray. Use it. This is where suspension lives and where most damage occurs. The investment. Car wash with undercarriage, $10 to $20 per storm. Moderate snow areas, 8 storms per winter equals $160. Heavy snow areas. 15 storms equals $300. That's your rust insurance. $100 to $300 prevents $3,000 to $11,000 in damage. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, I already have some visible rust on my car, don't panic. Repair what's visible first. There are great tutorials out there on fixing surface rust without welding. I've linked one in the description, but here's the key. Even if you have rust now, this prevention routine stops new rust from forming. Repair the damage you can see, then protect everything else with these 5-minute washes. Because the rust you can see is only 10% of the problem, the real damage is happening underneath where you can't see it. Corroded brake lines, weakened frame sections, failing suspension mounts, and that's what we're preventing today. Hidden damage that costs thousands to repair versus dollars to prevent. When timing matters, best time, 24 to 48 hours after storm ends. Why not immediately? Roads are still being salted. Wash too early, and you drive through fresh salt on the way home. Temperature note. Below freezing, car wash water can freeze your doors and locks. I covered exactly how to prevent that $800 problem in my last video. Link in description. Take those precautions, but don't skip the wash. Rust damage is worse than frozen door risk. Don't skip washes because another storm is coming. Salt accumulation is cumulative. The longer it sits, the more damage. Every wash removes salt. Every storm adds more. Wash after every storm, regardless of forecast. What mechanics won't tell you. Here's what shops don't say when you bring in rust damage. This was completely preventable. Your $1,200 brake line replacement came from skipping $100 in undercarriage washes. Rust repairs are our most profitable work. You can't DIY brake lines or frame repairs. You have to pay a shop. And rust creates more rust. One repair leads to another. We see this constantly. Customer brings in severe rust. Shop asks, do you get undercarriage washes? Answer is always no, because nobody told them the $5 add-on prevents thousands in repairs. By the time you see rust, it's severe. Visible rust on exterior means damage underneath is much worse. Prevention is everything. Once rust starts, it spreads exponentially. Bonus protection. Apply undercoating before winter. Professional undercoating creates a barrier between salt and metal, $300 to $800. Lasts 3 to 5 years. Optional, but recommended for heavy snow areas. Wax before winter. Quality wax creates a barrier preventing salt from sticking. $30 to $50 DIY. Makes washing easier. Clean door jambs after washes. Salt accumulates where doors meet body. Wipe with damp cloth after washing. 2 minutes prevents hidden rust. The Winter Car Care Connection. In my last video, I showed how car washes cause $800 in frozen door damage if you don't cycle doors after washing. Comments asked, if washes cause problems, why wash? This is why. $3,000 rust damage from skipping washes is worse than $800 frozen doors from washing wrong, but you prevent both. Get undercarriage wash for rust. Cycle doors for frozen mechanisms. Both take 5 minutes, both save thousands. Link to frozen doors video in description. Critical if you're washing in winter. Question for comments. How many snowstorms have you driven through without undercarriage wash? Drop a number. Who's been protecting their car versus who just learned they've been accumulating damage? The cost breakdown. Skip undercarriage washes. Years 1 through 3. Salt accumulates. Corrosion building. Year 4. First failure. Brake line corroded. $1,200. Year 5. Frame rust fails inspection. $2,000 to $5,000 lost value. Year 6. Suspension and exhaust failing. $2,000 more. Total $5,000 to $8,000 over 6 years. Wash after every storm. 8 storms per winter. $15 each. $120 annually. 6 years. $720 total. Savings $4,000 to $7,000. Plus retained resale value. Plus avoiding catastrophic failures. Plus passing inspection. Return on investment $600 to $1,000%. The reality check. If you live where it snows, you're facing this choice now. Most people watching have driven through multiple storms without Undercarriage washes. Damage is accumulating right now. Your car seems fine because rust happens invisibly until it doesn't. Until brake lines fail, or inspection fails, or frame is compromised. Salt doesn't care if you believe in prevention. It's corroding whether you act or not. The difference? $150 per winter on washes versus $3,000 to $8,000 on repairs over 5 years. Set phone reminder now. After every snowstorm, undercarriage wash within 48 hours. Make it non-negotiable like oil changes. This determines whether your car lasts 10 years or needs replacement at year 5. Critical related issue if you own a 2017 to 2019 Honda CR-V with 1.5 turbo, there's a $6,000 engine problem related to cold weather. Check my CR-V oil dilution video. Link in description. Urgent. Everyone else, check oil frequently in winter. Cold weather increases consumption. Low oil destroys engines. 2-minute check saves $6,000. Road salt keeps roads safe but destroys your car if you don't wash it off. $3 billion in rust damage annually in the US. Your share is $3,000 or more without protection. After every snowstorm, get undercarriage wash within 48 hours. $10 to $20 per wash. $100 to $300 per winter. Saves $3,000 to $8,000 over 5 years. Keeps brake lines intact. Frame sound. Car safe. Remember frozen doors. Get undercarriage wash for rust. Then cycle doors for frozen mechanisms. Both problems solved. 5 minutes, thousands saved. Free downloadable winter checklist in description. Includes timing guide and salt use map by state. Also linked frozen doors video and CR-V oil dilution video. All critical winter content. If this saved you $3,000, subscribe. This is True Cost Auto, where simple maintenance prevents expensive failures. New videos Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Your car is corroding now. You know what to do. See you in the next one.